Hey traders, how's it going? Hopefully you guys having a great day today. Market is down once again. Be sure you watch yesterday's video. Yesterday, that thumbnail is not a coincidence. The way that thumbnail was laid out. SPY 422.33. Very, very key spot for the markets. We wanted to go ahead and do a review of today's analysis, which follows up yesterday. So be sure to watch yesterday's video. Would appreciate a like and a comment on there. Want to know more about how we're coming up with these numbers? How are we so dead accurate with our analysis? What are you waiting for? Come join us. Stop missing out on us. Market volatility is crazy. Market action is wild. Are you still getting caught in all these moves each and every single day? Are you still getting caught in the downside without knowing what's coming? Why? Ask yourself why when there's a lot of education out there, either from ourselves or lots of other communities out there. Stop doing this alone. Join a powerful community with professionals by your side. So let's go ahead and get into today's analysis because it has been one wild one once again. All right. Go ahead and drop that for now. So this is the range and the analysis this AM. This is what we were looking for. Right, let's go ahead and just post that at 7:16 in the morning. Again, nice and early, not a coincidence. Notice at the times that we post. Today was earlier than usual. That's for a reason. So now, SPY range today is good morning, everyone. Right, SPY range today, 4/26/2022. Good morning, everyone. We have a key overnight session with not many block trades in the wee overnight hours. That's important. Small signs, small signals that we look for. No gap up today above 430.33, which is the E-mini number of 4297.75. This, coupled with the lighter than expected institutional participation yesterday. Pay attention there. Yesterday did not have no big boy participation. At such a large number of 422.33, and also no major options activity. This is early signs of a weak rally in the market, and that was just for now an oversold bounce, not a real technical bounce with mass participation. Notice that for all of you that bought weekly calls yesterday, thinking that was a low, thinking that was going to pop up, we're going to see a few days of green. Are you catching these tiny little hints that the market is giving you? Pay attention. This is one of those that makes you, one of those items that makes you go, So, on to the analysis. Here is the bull analysis. Go ahead and read that if you would like. Obviously, today that did not take place, so we'll bypass that. Pause the video. You can read that. SPY bears will be looking to give the bulls a fresh pie in the face after yesterday's move higher. Pay attention. After yesterday's move higher without institutional participation. Remember, bulls needed to run fast and early yesterday. If you saw yesterday's video, we went into detail with this, which did not occur, and thus keeping the bears active in the play. SPY bears closing 15-minute closes below 425.79 keeps the bears happy and seeking to get below 422.33 once again. SPY bears closing a 60-minute candle below 422.33 opens the door for a break of 417.06. Pay attention there because we are not there yet. Still got a couple more hours left in the market, so let's go ahead and bring up the chart. One moment, guys, while I get everything ready. There we go. And we want this chart. Alright, so here goes the 15-minute chart. Now notice what we had here. Go ahead and put up a vertical line so you can see. Notice yesterday's volume was a little low, so I'll try to talk a little bit louder today. But pay attention here. First 15-minute right out of the gate. Right? Market opened. This is your first clue. You have to pay attention to these small details. First clue today was opening below 425.79. That immediately puts the bulls on their hind legs, right? Like, that's not what we kind of wanted to see. A gap up was preferred for this to run. No gap up, step one. Step two, opening below the key level of 425.79. Now, we start to watch and wait for the two 15-minute closes. First 15-minute close, second 15-minute close. That right there locks in that they're going to come down and test this 422.33. Think of the market like in stages. It goes step 1, step 2, step 3. You don't just get a move out of nowhere. I know sometimes it seems like it for those of you who don't know how to read markets, still new, still learning, or maybe you just haven't been taught, right? It seems like sometimes moves come out of nowhere. They do not come out of nowhere. The market is structure based. The market mechanics are based on a certain type of structure and design based on some of the stuff that we discussed in yesterday's video. Go back and watch that. So we have that first two 15-minute closes. Perfect. You know they're coming down to test 422.33. Then we got the 60-minute close. Notice here. We broke that 422.33. Not much uplift. For such a powerful number, you would expect some type of a rally here. Something, right? Even if we fail later, but something. Nothing, just failed right through. What did I tell you? Market is weak. Okay, then we get the 60-minute close below 422.33. We'll go back to a smaller time frame so you guys can see the candles better. We got the 60-minute close right here. This was a 60-minute close and ended up failing down. You get the normal side-to-side action from then forward until just after lunch when you start to get the next break, right? Which is where we're at now. So with that 60-minute close, now we are destined to touch or get close to. Notice the prints. For those of you in the community, you know what the prints or non-prints mean. This is going to be one of those numbers. It's for 1706. Do we print it or do we not print it? Is the question, right? But notice that today's analysis was closing a 60-minute below 422.33. That goes ahead and puts it for a break of 417.06. Now, will that come to fruition? We shall see. But for now, that is what we're looking at, and we are catching some amazing trades today. Go ahead and pull up the page here for you guys. So this is a brief look into the chat room. So here we go. Had a little bit of news. You can go ahead and pause the video, read through all this if you want. We go ahead and do drawings of our trades. We don't do this each and every single day, but when we see a good solid trade setup, we go ahead and like to put it up on the screen so that other members can see what we're trading and what we're looking at. This is what it looks like. We drew this ahead of time. Notice this has not happened yet. Right? For those of you watching, here's the drawing. That's what we're looking for. And let's go ahead and pull up the actual chart of what occurred. Here we go. Not that hard to see. Got that move. Caught a nice short here. Did that break? Exactly like the drawing we just drew. So we're looking to come back down here into this green box zone is what we're currently looking at. We'll see if that comes to fruition, but the short has already taken place. Great trade there. Great trades in the AM. Some of our members caught some nice trades. So what are you guys waiting for? Stop missing out. Stop getting caught off guard. Did you get a pie in the face today? If you did, ask yourself why. Come join the community, get some professional analysis and leadership at your side. So other than that, thank you guys for watching the video. Be sure to like, leave us a comment. Let us know what you guys want to see more of on these YouTube videos, and we'll try to implement that. So keep your wrist tight. Have a great rest of your day, and see you tomorrow, guys.